Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. And in today's video we are going to build a Apache Kafka pipeline without writing any single line of code with the help of stream cells. Yes, so you are reading it right, no code required to build a Kafka pipeline, and that too very quickly within a minute. So that's what we are going to explore. So in the last video we have seen how we can ingest the hashtag IPL with the help of Twitter API and the stream HTTP client origin. In this video we are going to talk about the next phase. We are going to stream this hashtag IPL to our Kafka architecture. And why we use the Kafka? Because it's fast, scalable, and fault-tolerant messaging system, which is generally used in all this real-time streaming data architecture. So let's dive into this and build the next phase of our pipeline. So let's get started. So this is the pipeline which we built in our last video, where we try to ingest the IPL data. Let me just go ahead and preview that, and you can see like it's working fine now. So let's go ahead and do it. So I just wanted to check like everything is intact. Okay, so I just changed the hashtag to GOT Game of Thrones for this example, but yeah, it could be anything. So this pipeline is working. Now we will work on the next phase, where we want to store this to our Kafka server. And so I'm just going to delete this destination and put the Kafka as our end destination. So this is our Kafka policy. Okay. Let me just quickly go to this Kafka server and create a topic where we want to produce all these new messages. So I will go to my terminal. This is my Kafka server. Let me create a new topic first. Okay, I will call it a demo. Here we go. Let me list it out. Okay, here we go. So we have this demo topic created. Let me switch back to our pipeline. Let's configure our Kafka producer. So it's running on cluster, and the topic name is demo, and I want to partition this as a default round robin for now. And the data format, again I have plenty of option, I can choose anything, but let's go with the JSON for now. Let's see whether this pipeline is correct or not. Let's validate this pipeline. Okay, great. Let's preview and see whether we can dump something from our hashtag GOT. Okay, looks good to me. Let's run this pipeline for a while and dump this hashtag GOT to our new topic, that is demo. Okay, looks good. So we are streaming the live hashtag GOT to our newly created topic demo. I think we have plenty of data collected and produce this to our topic. I will go ahead and stop this pipeline, and from the command line we will see like whether this data really got dumped to our topic. So I'm back to my terminal, where we are going to use the Kafka console consumer to see whether my topic demo really holds the data that which we have collected with the help of the HTTP client origin. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this so we can list the content of this topic. Okay, so as you can see, we can see this tweets for related to Game of Thrones, and yep, so we have built our pipeline. We fetch the data from the Twitter API and dump to our Kafka topic.
So this is all for today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any queries, you can either comment in the comment box or mail us at the nursery2varsity@gmail.com. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.